Which magnetic bit holder is actually good? It seems like all of them claim to be the best, but you really need to look closer to find what works. Today, we're breaking down 5 options that stand out for their quality and usability. Product number 1. Cater Quick Change Bit Holder. The Cater 6 PCS, a 1/4-inch hex shank bit holder caught my eye with its sleek design and an affordable price of just $8.99. If you want a lightweight and easy-to-use solution for quick bit changes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. First off, it's made from aluminum alloy, which gives it durability without the weight. The quick change feature lets you swap bits with one hand, which is a game changer when you're in the middle of a project. Plus, the secure backup nut design holds bits firmly in place, meaning you won't have to worry about them falling out during use. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from over 7,800 reviews, it's clear many others also appreciate this tool. Now, some people complained about the sizing not fitting certain older models of drill bits. Here's the thing though, if you're using standard 1/4-inch bits, you're in the clear, and the ease of use far outweighs this potential hiccup. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a handyman looking for a reliable bit holder without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something that can handle larger bit sizes or heavy-duty applications. For under $9, it's a really good deal. Now, if that sizing issue bothered you, the next product takes a completely different approach with its compatibility. Product number 2. Phasanx's 12 PCS bit holders. Next up, we have the Phasanx's 12 PCS bit holders, priced at $13.99. What I found appealing here is the sheer quantity you get, making it a great value. These holders are crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, ensuring they're not just lightweight, but also rust-resistant. Each bit holder can securely hold up to 3.3 pounds, which is perfect for heavier bits you might use. Plus, the thoughtful design includes a cupped shape for easy bit changes. If you're someone who frequently misplaces bits, the color-coded design will help you quickly identify what you need. With a 4.5-star rating from over 6,300 reviewers, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some users noted that the bits can sometimes get stuck if not maintained properly. Now, here's the deal. A little bit of care will prevent this issue, and the versatility and durability make it worth it. This is an excellent pick for professionals or DIYers who want a reliable and organized bit holder setup. Skip this if you only need a single holder for occasional tasks. Overall, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need organization. Product number 3. Mayoko Magnetic Bit Holder Rack. Now we're looking at the Mayoko 4 PCS Magnetic Bit Holder Rack, priced at $23.57. Right off the bat, the organization potential caught my attention. This set includes 4 racks capable of holding up to 168 bits total, which is fantastic for anyone with a large collection. The strong magnetic base means you can attach it to any metal surface, keeping your bits easily accessible while maintaining a clean workspace. The open design allows for quick identification, so you won't waste time searching for that one bit in a cluttered toolbox. With a 4.6-star rating from over 600 reviews, users really love the convenience this brings. But here's the catch. It could take up some space on your workbench. If you're tight on space, this might feel a bit bulky. However, if organization is your priority, the trade-off can be worth it. This is ideal for serious DIYers and professionals looking to keep their bits organized and within reach. Skip this if you have limited space or only work with a few bits. For the functionality you get, it's a worthwhile investment. Now, if you've been concerned about space, the next product has a more compact solution. Product number 4. Halberd Magnetic Bit Holder. Let's move on to the Halberd Standard Magnetic Bit Holder, which comes in a 2-pack for $14.95. This product really impressed me with its practical design. The Halberd holder allows you to carry up to 6 extra bits right on your tool without any interference with your grip. It's designed to fit most major brands, making it super versatile. The exposed magnet can even hold loose screws, so you won't have to juggle them in your mouth or drop them. With a 4.6-star rating from around 600 satisfied customers, it's clear this product has made life easier for many. However, a few users mentioned that the attachment can be tricky if you don't have a compatible tool. Here's the thing though, if you check compatibility beforehand, you'll have no issues at all, and the convenience is fantastic. This is perfect for contractors and builders who need quick access to bits and screws. Skip this if you're using a tool brand not listed as compatible. For its price and utility, it's a solid addition to any toolbox. If you're looking for something adjustable, the next product might just be the answer. Product number 5, Change and Pass Scalable Magnetic Bit Holder. Finally, we have the Change and Pass Scalable Magnetic Bit Holder set, coming in at just $8.99. The telescopic design really caught my attention. This set includes 3 holders that extend from compact to long reach, which means you can tackle almost any screwdriving task without switching tools. The built-in magnet provides a secure grip, preventing bit slippage. Trust me, this is important for precision work. Plus, the durable construction means these will hold up to daily wear and tear. With a 4.5-star rating from over 500 reviews, people appreciate the adaptability it offers. That said, a couple of users pointed out that the extension mechanism can feel a bit stiff at first. But I'll be real with you, a bit of use will smooth that out, and the versatility far outweighs this minor issue. This is great for anyone who often works in tight spaces or needs a bit holder that adapts to different tasks. Skip this if you only need a simple, one-size-fits-all solution. For less than $9, it's a great practical investment. Now that we've covered all 5, let's sum up what we found. In summary, we've looked at some fantastic magnetic bit holders today. The Caterk offers a lightweight, quick change option. Phasanx's gives you versatility in numbers. Mayoko excels in organization. Halbert is great for on-the-go convenience. And Change and Pass adapts to your needs. Depending on your specific tasks, any one of these could be the perfect fit for you.